Aloha. Right back, SwitchBlade, right back. You're working it too, that SwitchBlade. Take care, man. Hey, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hey, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, your younger brother, downtown Honolulu, Mod Squad, gone. Aloha. Got it. We thank you there. We thank you there, SwitchBlade. We thank you for that, there. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile, Aloha.
Mod Squad, LowRider, 110, Mod Squad, LowRider, Mod Squad, LowRider. Hello, Mod Squad, LowRider, Bayou Country, let's go.
LowRider, Mod Squad, LowRider, Mod Squad. Hello, LowRider, Mod Squad. Your turn, come on.
Right there, right back, hey, Mod Squad, right there, right back, no two ways about it. Take care, Mod Squad, you walking in fire style in the Bayou Country, Mod Squad, take care, LowRider, step it.
Got it all, LowRider. You put it down where I can get it, LowRider. Take it, LowRider. You put it where I can get it in Honolulu. Hello, LowRider. Mod Squad Mobile. LowRider, Mod Squad. Heard you. Aloha.
All right, Mod Squad, when you put it where I can get it, no two ways about it. I appreciate it, Mod Squad. Been a while, big brother. Everything is too bad. It's bad in the Bayou Country. Take care, Mod Squad, LowRider, Bayou Country, Aloha.
Got it all. LowRider, you smoking, man. Take it, LowRider. I got it all, because you got that hammer down in Honolulu. LowRider, Mod Squad, Mobile. Read the mail. Contact, LowRider, contact, man. Their stations are calling me, man. I can't make the 28 out, but I'll try to get it next time around. Mod Squad Mobile say, come on down. LowRider, you put the green light on, LowRider. LowRider, you said you're going to put the green light on, and you said they can get in there now. Take care, LowRider, and take care to the rest of the gang. Mod Squad trying to get your 28. Come on. Hey, BlackRooster, I heard a 729, I think that was, but BlackRooster, I got you, man. Take care, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Said I'm right back, trying to get it back with you. Mod Squad, Mobile, downtown Honolulu. Say, come on down. Right back, 22.9. You take care also, 22.9. Have a good one. Mod Squad Mobile. Say you enjoy the evening time too. 22.9. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu. Right back. Aloha. Hello, Top Gun, Big Gun. Top Gun, Big Gun. I wave at you too there, Top Gun, Big Gun. Take care, Top Gun, Big Gun. Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Come on. Aloha, right back. Top Gun, Big Gun, you ease up in here. Top Gun, you ease up in here. Top Gun, Mod Squad. Top Gun, Mod Squad. Mobile checked in. Aloha.
Your Mod Squad, you're checking in. You're checking in. Top Gun, Big Gun, Top Gun,
got it, Top Gun, Big Gun, you got it, as you do it in Honolulu, Hawaii. Top Gun, Big Gun, Mod Squad, Mobile, I got you in the radio. Mod Squad, 4 Pill, Mobile, gone. You working at Big Joe Gun, Top Gun, Big Gun, take care. I heard another station say Mod Squad, man, I tried to get that 28, that Top Gun, Big Gun, eased up in my radio. Mod Squad, right back.
He copy your radio, but you don't copy his at this particular 1036. Hey, Mod Squad, he copy your radio, but you don't copy his at this particular 1036. Mod Squad, tell him go get us some gas. Tell me go get some gas. Gas is cheap now. Go get some gas. Fill up his tank, because we're going to be ready to go 15 rounds. Mod Squad, BlackRooster, bye-bye.
Hey, BlackRooster, you said he got to go get some gas because you want to go 15 rounds? You want to go 15 rounds with that Mobile, so he better put some gas before he come and play. Mod Squad, right back, come on.
You tell BlackRooster he'll get knocked out if he want to go 15 rounds. Hey, local boy, gas that went down.
Top Gun, Big Gun, right there. Top Gun, Big Gun. Yeah, he wants you to put some gas. BlackRooster wants you to put some gas before you play. Mod Squad, right back. You're gonna knock him out. You're gonna knock him out. You're gonna knock him out. That's what you said. Take it, Top Gun, Big Gun. Top Gun, Big Gun. Mod Squad, right back. I'm cruising Honolulu. Aloha. Right there, 22.9, Mod Squad, going to look at you again. 22.9, Mod Squad said your turn. Hello, 22.9, Mod Squad, Honolulu, read the mail. BlackRooster, right there, BlackRooster. You said tell 22.9 you're not in a mobile, you're in a comfort room, you got that AC on and you're in comfort in that radio room right now. Hello, BlackRooster. Hello, also there, 22.9. You guys have a good one too there, Top Gun, Big Gun, Mod Squad, Mobile, right back. I'm cruising downtown Honolulu. Come on down. Right there, PaPa. PaPa, you want to work their backs? Hey, PaPa, you want to work all their backs right now? Hey, PaPa. Hey, PaPa, you on top of everybody's back right now, and I think you're putting a hurting on them right now, PaPa. Mod Squad, right back.
All right, Mod Squad. We're talking about Mod Squad.
Right back, man. Hey, PaPa, you gonna make some rooster gumbo? You gonna make some black rooster gumbo? And LowRider, I heard you too. You said hello to PaPa. But hey, PaPa, you hold it all the way too, man, PaPa. Hey, PaPa, just in the very end, I heard LowRider pop in there, and he want to tell you hello. Take care of LowRider in the Bayou Country. And BlackRooster, he want to make some chicken gumbo out of you, Mod Squad, Mobile gone.